Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn a poem Basketful of Moonlight. This poem is a translation of a Dogri poem written by Sunil Sharma. The speaker in the poem is small child. He lives in a village. The people in the village go to the city to work daily. The village is far from the city, but the route or road is so long and dangerous. By the time the villagers return, it becomes dark. There are snakes and scorpions on the way. There is no bus or cart is available for the people to travel. People have to walk to and fro the city. The child's father leaves early in the morning and returns late at night when the boy is asleep. In this poem, the boy requests the moon to give him a basketful or two of moonlight seeds. He wants to light the dark path for the villagers, especially for his father. He wants his father to return home early and hear bedtime stories. He wants to sow the seeds of moonlight along the path and light up the path permanently for the villagers. So, let's proceed with the poem. I will explain the poem line by line in English and also in Marathi. So, here we will read the poem. O moon, give me moonlight, basketful or two baskets full, with seeds of moonlight. In the above four lines, the child is requesting to the moon to give him moonlight. Here, the child wants moonlight basketful because he wants to sow the seeds of moonlight as a farmer sows seeds in the field and takes the seeds in a basket. In the same way, he also wants to sow the seeds of moonlight. इथे निवेदक चंद्राकडे चंद्रप्रकाश मागत आहे. ओ मून गिव मी मूनलाईट, हे चंद्रा मला चंद्रप्रकाश दे. बास्केट फुल और टू बास्केट्स फुल, एक टोपली भर किंवा दोन टोपली भर. विथ सीड्स ऑफ मूनलाईट, मला चंद्रप्रकाशाचं बीज दे. नाव वी विल सी नेक्स्ट लाईन्स. फ्रॉम द सिटी टू माय विलेज ऑन द साइड्स ऑफ द पाथ I want to sow many small moons of light. The whole village goes to the city daily to work. It becomes dark on its way back as my village is quite far. The route is tough and full of snakes and scorpions. Neither bus nor cart plies. When my father returns home, I am asleep and he goes back early in the morning while I am sleeping. In the above lines, the child wants to sow the seeds of moonlight on the sides of the road which takes the villagers and also his father to city. In the evening, when villagers return home, the route is so darkened and dangerous because there are snakes and scorpions on the way. There is no vehicle is available to travel, so everyone have to reach their home by walking. The child says that when his father returns home at late night, the child is asleep and when goes back to work next morning before he wakes up. आता आपण या स्टँजाचा मराठीत अर्थ बघूया. शहराकडून गावाकडे येणारा जो रस्ता आहे, त्या रस्त्याच्या दोन्ही बाजूला मला ते बी पेरायचं आहे. माझं संपूर्ण गाव आणि गावातील लोक काम करण्यासाठी शहराकडे जातात आणि जेव्हा माझ्या गावातील लोक काम झाल्यानंतर परत गावाकडे यायला निघतात, त्यावेळी काळोख पसरलेला असतो. तो मार्गसुद्धा खूप खडतर आहे, कारण त्या रस्त्यावर साप आणि विंचू यांचा धोका आहे. कोणतीही बस किंवा गाडी त्या मार्गावर उपलब्ध नाही. माझे बाबा ज्यावेळी घरी परत येतात, त्यावेळी मी झोपलेला असतो आणि मी झोपेत असतानाच बाबा परत कामासाठी निघून जातात. नाऊ वी विल रीड नेक्स्ट स्टँजा. O moon, give me a basketful of moonlight on loan. I want to light the dark route so that my father returns early. I too want to hear fairy tales and stories from him. O moon, give me a basketful of moonlight. I want to sow seeds of moon on the sides of the path. In the last stanza, the child requests to give him moonlight on loan. He wants to light the dark path for the villagers and especially for his father. He wants his father returned home early because he likes to hear bedtime stories, fairy tales, and wants to chat with his father like any other child of his age. That's why he is saying, I too want to hear. He wants to light the path for everyone. He wants to spend time with his father. अशा प्रकारे ते लहान मूल चंद्राकडे विनवणी करत आहे की मला चंद्रप्रकाश कर्ज स्वरूपात दे, उधार दे. मला तो काळोख असलेला रस्ता प्रकाशमय करायचा आहे की ज्यामुळे माझी वडील लवकर घरी येतील आणि इतर मुलांप्रमाणे मला त्यांच्यासोबत वेळ घालवता येईल. अशा प्रकारे ही अतिशय भावनिक अशी पोयम की ज्यामधून कवीला कदाचित ग्रामीण भागात असलेली विजेची समस्या मांडायची आहे. In this way, today we have learned the poem Basketful of Moonlight.